Welcome back to the Frugal Prof channel on YouTube. I appreciate you being here. And as always, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe because it helps us in the algorithm. Now, this video is a review of last week and a preview of the coming week. And September has been a pretty ugly month. That's basically the trend heading into last week. And Monday was pretty ugly with a big sell-off. We had this news from Nikola that their founder had resigned. And that created some tremors as to valuations and the companies that have been so speculative. So heading into Tuesday, we had Battery Day from Tesla. And in the Q&A session, Elon Musk made some comments about the valuation. I did a separate video on that. You can review that. Stock was hit pretty hard. Not exactly new information, but hearing him mention the valuation and the disconnect was disconcerting to some investors. Now, Wednesday, you had this big earnings beat from Nike that started off the day. Futures were positive on that, but as the day rolled on, the market sold off and you had this big sell-off, and it raised some questions about the frothiness in this market. SPAC companies coming public in record numbers. You had this company SPI Energy that no one has ever heard of, 2,500% on a press release. So those are definitely some warning signs. I've done a couple videos on warning signs of frothiness in this market, though, so you could definitely check those out. Thursday, you had news from Amazon. They did product releases, and a lot of people were talking about the drone that they released from Ring that basically is a security device that flies around your house. Interesting stuff. And that led us into Friday, where we had an end-of-day rally on hopes for stimulus. And as I record this, it is 3:30 Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, and there's no announcement that a deal is imminent, so we'll see how that plays out. Saturday, you had President Trump making his Supreme Court nomination of Judge Barrett, and that takes us into this week, the preview for the coming week. Basically, a number of things that are on the calendar. Number one, you have numerous Fed speakers all throughout the week. The second thing is the earnings calendar. You have a pretty light schedule of earnings. The big companies releasing are Micron, Pepsi, and Bed Bath & Beyond. But the two major news events for this week will be Tuesday's the presidential debate, and it may not move the market, but will certainly be interesting television. There's no doubt about it. And Friday, you have this big jobs report. So everyone will be watching that, and that will most likely be moving the market one way or another. So that is a review of last week and a preview of the coming week. And as always, if you like this video, please like it because it helps us in the algorithm. And subscribe to the channel if you like this content. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.